Hello everyone, welcome to part 60 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt. Here we are with our 60th principle of this series. And the 60th principle in our Steve Chandler, 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself series. 60 here is to swim laps underwater. And what he means here is he first goes into the example of Bobby Fischer, who, if you guys don't know, was a really great chess player. You can say what you will about his attitude, being a little bit too much of a perfectionist, or throwing a fit over some minor conditional changes, and his whole disappearance due to losing a number of matches. Whatever. Say what you will about that, but you can easily admire his being like a chess prodigy, being, like world champion, I believe, at like 14 years old to begin with. Anyway, they talk about how he prepares for one of his chess masters against Boris Spassky there by going and swimming laps underwater, and that he's getting extra oxygen flow to his brain, in theory, here by being able to be a better swimmer, being able to go through having, that kind of cardio exercise, and just, we all know how that kind of stuff works with the basics of oxygen going to your brain is a huge kind of thing. So I could also go into he talks about just how even the air we breathe can be something that motivates us sometimes. Sometimes we are naturally motivated, sometimes we feel that kind of motivation just in general, and all we need is a little bit of air to make us go, to just make us take off and sprint and succeed and gain victory and achievement. All that kind of stuff is just, like a few gulps of oxygen away. And so I think this is a pretty nice principle. It says that really some motivation just comes down to nature, okay? When we have enough food and we have enough water and we have enough oxygen, we have shelter, we have all that kind of stuff, sometimes our desires are just in sync with our mind. We have the positive mental attitude, we have everything to gain, and we just go out and we just get it. And all we need is air to do so. So I think that's just a really positive affirmation of who we are and what we can do. Anyway, that's about it for part 60. I will see you guys next time with part 61. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.